Are you trying to find the best tool for lead generation? In this video, we'll compare Lusha and Apollo IO to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Lusha and Apollo IO are designed to help businesses find and connect with potential customers. They offer valuable insights and data that can boost your sales efforts. Let's start with Lusha. This tool focuses on providing accurate contact information. It helps users find emails and phone numbers quickly. Lusha is popular among sales teams who need reliable data to reach out to leads effectively. Now, let's look at Apollo IO. This platform goes beyond just contact information. It also offers features for managing your sales pipeline. Apollo IO includes tools for email outreach and tracking your interactions with leads. It's great for teams that want a more comprehensive sales solution. So, what are the key differences? Lusha is mainly about finding contacts, while Apollo IO provides a full sales management experience. If you only need contact info, Lusha may be the way to go. But if you want to manage your entire sales process, Apollo IO could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Lusha excels in accuracy and speed. Apollo IO, on the other hand, shines with its additional tools for outreach and tracking. Think about what you need most in your sales efforts. In terms of pricing, Lusha tends to be straightforward, while Apollo IO offers various plans based on features. This means you can choose a plan that fits your budget and needs. In the end, if you're looking for quick contact information, Lusha is a solid choice, but if you want a complete sales tool, consider Apollo IO. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.